What's up, you guys? We got a 2014 Hyundai Accent. Headlight bulb don't work, so this is what the bulb look like. Okay, it has 1, 2, 3 ears. The size is 9005. I got me a new bulb right here, 9005 Echo, whatever you want to call it. So it's the same procedure here, same procedure there. Okay, right here I can get my hand into it. It's more easier for me to show on that side though, so I'll do that. But usually these one might have a cover on it, so if it has a cover on it, just pop the cover open. And then once you're inside, what you want to do is, what I want to do right now is I want to turn the camera around so we all can see right here. This is what we're looking at. So pretty much you got this connector here. You can take off the connector now. Later it's up to you. You just push down on this tab and this connector just simply comes out just like that. Then you want to turn this bulb and this bulb come out. So you want to turn it, if you're looking right at it, you want to turn it counterclockwise. So this is what the bulb look like. You want to grab your new bulb. Let's get our new bulb out of this box right here. So this is where our bulb is. You never want to touch the filament in the front unless your hands is super clean. And let me just wipe my hands down. There you go. I still don't want to touch it even though I wiped my hand down a bit. So let's open this baby up. It's the same procedure on a lot of the Hyundai as long as you don't have HID bulbs. So this is what the bulb look like. So make sure you get the same correct bulb. What you want to do is you want to start off from the same spot where you pulled it out from. So pretty much this bulb was like right here, and the earlobes are only going to go in one spot, and then you want to turn it, and there you go, it grabs. And to put this connector in, you just want to push it up. It should click. So take it off, you push on this tab and you just push this down and it comes out that easy. Now our headlights should be working, so let's turn on the headlights. We're gonna turn the key for that. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Both headlights are on. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys on the next one.